The Banral company sent us these flashlights. I wanted a small flashlight that I could carry in my purse to keep with me anywhere. The other day, electricity went off where I work and I was wishing I had a flashlight. So these are great. They're small. You can put them anywhere. They have this great little clip on the back. You could clip them to your belt or clip them onto a bag or a purse. This back area right there is magnetic. That is really cool. Look at this. It sticks right on there. These are rechargeable. You get 2 lights and 2 charging cords, which is great because my husband's going to take one and I'm going to take one. So we're both going to need our own charging cords. So let me show you some of the things this light does. It has this light bar here, as well as this light's here. So it's not totally dark yet. We are out camping. Oh, and let me show you, this is the little charging port right there. So we are out camping and we wanted to show y'all how well this works. So see that bar right there? That is pretty bright. And that is perfect. If he was doing some work back here on our RV, he could snap that on there and get a light there with hands-free light. You can push it again. Let's see, there you go, there's red. If you have an emergency, a flat tire or something, and you push it one more time, oops, sorry, there's a couple of settings there. There it goes, it flashes. So you could use it like flashers if you had any trouble with your vehicle or RV or anything on the side of the road. So those are some of the settings that this bulb does. Now look at the other one. Now look at how bright that is. It's not even dark here yet. It's just starting to get dark, and you can see that light is really bright. Push it. There's a little bit dimmer, and it flashes. That's a fast strobe, and then it does a slower one. So there's lots of different settings on these lights, and I'm just amazed what they can do with such a small item. These are metal, they are not plastic. I feel like they will hold up very well. They are very well made, and I think this is an awesome buy. It'd be a great gift for someone, and everyone needs another flashlight because you can never find them when you need them. So go get you one. I think you'll love it.